So just for fun, I'm going to try to unroll this piece. Okay, so select it, unroll surface, unroll surface. There it is. Explode, no. Label, no. No. And there it is right there. Okay. Please note that this piece right here, it has not split this thing at the roof line. For this piece right here, it would be easier if I split this thing so that the final joint is at the roof ridge right there, or roof valley, because everything on here basically scores on the outside, except this part right here, which is this valley, needs to be scored from the underside. So in that case, I'm going to take this object and move it so that this part right here touches this part right here, and the final split is made, final connection is made right at the valley. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna explode this piece, and then what I want, like I said, is this part right here to be this part right here. So I'm gonna orient this thing, orient. Take these two objects from here to here, and that part 1 should be here and part 2 should be there. Now as it wraps or rolls together, this is the underside, right? So this part right here is this underside right here. So when it starts to fold onto each other, the last joint will be made at that valley here and here, which is this part right there. So once I have this, I could try to make a 2D image of it. So from the top view, Make2d, and whoops, it's gone a little bit far, and there it is. Okay, so for this one, the joint connects at the bottom, which is good because then you see the least of those glue marks and stuff, right? For this one, since it's going to be a concave joint at these 2 points, I decided to split it at the roof valley part. So you're going to have to try to make a decision on determined by where the connections are and which side the scoring needs to happen on the surface. So with those understanding, you should be able to plan for your model a little bit more. So what we're going to do is to take this object and make it into a AutoCAD file so that can be sent to the laser cutter.